Alright, what's going on, guys? So I've got two packages that just came in. I'm wearing gloves, obviously. The times are a little crazy, so just be protected. I don't know, whatever. Anyway, I got a prime package here, which I'll show you guys what that is, and the secondary package here, and I'll show you guys what that is. So let me cut these open. So this is just a resealing glue for my headlights. Once I crack them open, I'm going to be putting in some angel eyes by Diode Dynamics. I'll get that box. I already opened that one, so I'll show you guys that in just a sec. I'm going to put that aside, and I'll show you guys the next one. Okay, so the first one, I'm going to assume this right here is, let's see, a tow hook. Let's see if I'm correct. It's a Cusco tow hook. And let's see if this is actually a tow hook. It's pretty heavy, so yes it is. Cusco right here. Boom, tow hook. Okay, so here it is, guys. Red, because I'm kind of going with the red accents on my WRX. And yeah, you can see it bends right here. It's very simple, you know, it's just literally like a screw-on piece. So I kind of ruined the this little piece here. Not that I really care too much. I'm sure I could just get another one of these. This little piece here. I don't really care for this piece. I'm gonna have the tow hook anyway. So, but if you guys really care about it, you know, you can just take a little bit proper precautions when opening that up. All right, so it comes off into two pieces. This is the rod that goes into the car, and then this part screws into the rod itself. It's the tow hook, obviously. So I have some anti-seize here. So I'm gonna throw that onto the rod here, and then we're going to put it in the car, crank it nice and tight, and then we'll throw on the tow hook. All right, all anti-seized up. Let's make sure not to get it all over the place. And put that in. Perfect. All right, very easy install, guys. So I think tow hooks look pretty dope. I've always wanted one on my car, the brand. And this gets deep into the wheel well. I might actually have to, this gets real deep into the bumper actually. I might actually have to see if this wrench works. You guys have to be really careful. You can't really tell right now, but I'm being very, very careful not to scratch the paint. All right, guys, it took a little bit of being finicky with it, but yeah, it's on. Yeah, it looks pretty good, I think. I'm pretty happy with how it looks. I was saying I loved Perrin, and here's the Perrin box that I've been waiting for, and that's it. Right here. Boom. Very nice. Nice little Perrin piece. And we got two sides. We could choose which side we want. I think I might go with this one. I see everybody with that one, but I like that. That's pretty cool. All right, let's just do it. I'm gonna have to pull the car out of the garage. There's no space in the front, so we're gonna move it back. Here it is. See, my license plate relocation kit. I didn't do a video for that, but it's very simple. You just move it from there to there with another Perrin piece. I'll show you guys that here, so you can see. Boom, Perrin. So yeah, it's a pretty solid piece. But let's cover that up real quick.
All right, guys. So it's the next day, and I totally overlooked something that I needed to get for my install of the headlights. I'm gonna get angel eyes on the car, but I'm not putting glue. I'm doing this, I'm backing up while I speak. So I have to go to Home Depot to get some wires, some steel wire, and that's about it. And then I'm gonna pretty much spend most of the day installing these headlights and the new Perrin replacement for my license plate in the front. So we'll take care of that. We have to take the bumper off. We got to do a bunch of work today.
I needed to get some galvanized steel wire. I got some that is, let's see if we can zoom in here. It's 22 gauge, which is pretty thin. So that's gonna go around these diodes. So these are the Diode Dynamics Angel Eyes. It's a nice ring, it's a Jeep, but we're gonna put it on the WRX. We're gonna have to take the bumper off to get these on, to access the headlights. This is a resealer. I showed you guys this yesterday. I'm gonna show you guys actually how to take off the license plate. I'm gonna be taking the license plate off because it's in the chassis, so it's gonna block the bumper, so I'm gonna have to take that off. So I can show you guys how to mount that as well. Very simple. It shows you instructions when you get the pack. So, but yeah, we're gonna install that. We're gonna reinstall that, and we're gonna get some Angel Eyes. What I'm doing is removing the pins along the bumper. This one was a pain in the butt, but let's show you. This one here, if you can even see it, that's a pin. That's a pop pin. You just use a flathead and you just get underneath and pop it out. So got one there, got one right there, and then we're trying to get this moving out. So this is pretty much matched along the side. So we're gonna get these done here. Wow, that's a lot of rocks all stuck in there. Ooh, that one broke. That's not good. The easy part. Let's start with this. Super easy. All you gotta do is get them into these points and screw it in. So let's start that. There's one, there's two. This is where the pins are. There's one, there's two, right in the front. There's three, there's four, there's five, and then there's a sixth down here. Six. So I have to remove all those to get the headlights off. So we're almost done. All right, so I took it off this side. All you really have to do is just wiggle it off. Oh, I also have on this side, we have the coolant. So let's disconnect that. Okay. All right, and boom, pops right off. Easy. So now we have this one here. and that one there. All right, the headlight is off. So the last push pin was right there, or there. Either way, you'll see it. It's just like this, but it's right there. Here are my headlights, my aux beam headlights that I installed a week ago. So we're just gonna disconnect everything electronic, and yeah, crack it open. Let's do it. All right, here we are. Disconnected the headlight. Got some wiring in there, but I was gonna put it in the oven. I'm thinking I'm just gonna use a hairdryer to crack it open.
Wait, SpongeBob! We're not cavemen! We have technology! Double sun power! Power!
Alright guys, so after a lot of phone calls and figuring it out, we got it connected. So this is just like the simplest connection you could possibly do. First things first, these dongles all, mind that actually, I should turn my headlights off actually. Let's do that real quick. Okay, this is 100%, which I disconnected the white one over there. I disconnected that white one from the red one, right? You see the dongle? Connect the black to black first. Just do that. Ground wire. You need that. Anyway, so this looks pretty good. I can leave that that white wire alone. I don't have to use it if I want these to be 100% brightness. So you know what I might do? I only need to connect the turn signal. So I have to figure that out. Give me a sec. Looks cool though. I like it a lot. Let me try something real quick. Awesome. Okay, so I turned off my daytime running lights and it turns off. We're on the right track, guys. I have so much work to do, but let's get it done. All right, guys. So I tapped the yellow turn signal wire to the blue one on my WRX, and boom, it's working. There you go. The yellow from the Diode Dynamics is connected to the blue on the WRX. We can go throw that inside the headlight and put it back together. So this took a very long time, but it's time to seal up the headlights. We got Morimoto, we got the LEDs right there, and we have the headlight there. It took so long because I had class and I've been going slow today, but I could have taken care of it a little bit faster. But let's seal these up and we'll get finished up here. All right, guys, so I sealed up the butyl around. Now it's time to put on the cover, and we'll put all those screws on. They're all in there, so let me go get them and put this back on. All right, guys, well, the sun's setting. I'm just zip tying these wires down, and I'm gonna find a place to put this fuse box. But yeah, the headlight's pretty much done. It looks great. I'll show you guys the end. I just want to recap, when you're crimping the C-clamps, right, you just want to choose the red, the black, and the blue wires. So let's crimp these real quick. I'm going to set you guys down, and then I'll show you guys what I did here. Okay, so I recommend using pliers. I did the red one, which is the main power, and then the ground. So let's do the ground real quick. All right, and that's it. I'm ready to install the fuse. I'm gluing them here, so since they're kind of difficult to find a space for in the engine bay. So you can already see that one's in, looking pretty good. So I'm very happy with the results. Let's just finish up before it gets any darker.
The next day.
All right, guys, day 2 of losing my sanity on this car. I just woke up and yeah, I have to put the bumper back on and make sure that the turn signal wire is working.
Alright guys, this is the last pin to be placed in.
Finally. Oh man, how long did that take? That took about 13-14 hours in total to do. Now, it shouldn't take that long. It's very simple. It's just a simple thing. So this first one took ages to do. Second one was a lot faster. But anyway, that's it. They look awesome. They look really good. So last thing there is to do is put the license plate on. So let me show you guys how to do that.
All right, so first things first is I already done this, so I already have the anti-seize on the end, but you want to just line it up. I like to just tighten the shit out of it so we can have a nice solid seal. Looks good. Then all you got to do is grab this here. There we go. Cool. Very solid. Invest in wrenches, guys. They save you a lot of time. Alright guys, there it is. So we got awesome stuff. I'm really happy with all the stuff I've done in the past few days to the car. Perrin, license plate relocation kit cover for those ugly holes. We got the license plate relocation kit itself. We got the awesome Diode Dynamic LEDs in the headlights, the angel eyes. And then finally, let's see if I can squeeze past here, the tow hook. And I think that looks pretty cool. So yeah guys, we did a lot in the past few days. There's a lot of things that I hope you guys can take away from this. So anyway guys, enjoy the B-roll and take it easy.
The dash, the digit, the schedule busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie. My cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tootsies. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, the trip going crazy. Weezy produced it, and Weezy have made me. And she had it down, so she got a Mercedes. Money records, the Army, the Navy. They ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. The foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trust in my they never betray me. Met all these they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me. Did all the favors, they never